Hey, have you heard about Figure 03? It's the next-gen robot from Figure AI. They just dropped it in a big reveal. This isn't just a prototype. It's built to live in homes, to help, to learn. Imagine a robot that can grip fragile objects, understand your voice, remember where stuff is, and act like it knows you. They redesigned everything, the vision system, the sensors, the hands, safety, so it works well around people. And they engineered it to be manufactured at scale. Meaning, not just a lab toy, something you might see in your house someday. Of course, there are risks too: privacy, safety, cost, what happens to jobs. But it's a big step. If that sounds wild, you're not wrong. But this is where robotics is heading. Stay tuned, because we're witnessing the next chapter in AI plus machines. Stay tuned for more trending updates on AI and tech. Quick, exciting, and straight to the point. Save time and stay informed in just minutes. Love AI, robotics, and futuristic tech? Rock it. Subscribe for short, trending global tech stories. Explained simply, explained smartly.